Prawns potato chops. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be the first to see my latest video. For the outer covering, take 500 grams boiled and mashed potatoes. Add half cup corn flour and mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander and 1 finely crushed tastemaker cube. This cube is easily available at the stores. Salt and mix well. Make a smooth dough. Take a portion and shape into a ball. And set aside. For the stuffing, heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 large size onions chopped. Saute until soft. Now add 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies. Salt. One tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And saute till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. 1 chopped tomato. And saute until soft. Now add 1 teaspoon coriander cumin seed powder, half teaspoon turmeric, and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Now add half cup prawns. The prawns are cleaned, deveined and cut in small pieces. Prawns were marinated with salt for 15 minutes. Saute for a minute. Now add 1 teaspoon garam masala and half cup finely chopped coriander. Stir well. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons water. Cover and cook on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. The moisture has dried up. Stuffing is ready. Remove in a bowl and set aside to cool down completely. Grease the potato ball with oil and flatten it. Place the stuffing in the center and seal the edges. Flatten it lightly and set aside. Prepare all the chops in the same manner. Heat 5 to 6 tablespoons oil in a pan. Break an egg in a bowl. Add salt and beat well. Take half cup semolina. Dip the chop in the beaten egg and coat it with semolina. Shallow fry on medium flame. Flip and cook on both sides till crisp. Potato chops are ready. Remove on an absorbent paper. Subscribe to my channel Jim Jen Kitchen. Click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.